As growth fears deepen, China has made many vows to restore the economy and enhance the business climate. The government has made several announcements since July to encourage high expenditure on consumer items and even autos, private company investment and business finance. Let's now dig deeper into the challenges facing the world's second largest economy. Even with 2 interest rate cuts this year, Beijing is not unleashing the monetary and fiscal stimulus of earlier downturns. President Xi Jinping's administration is hesitant to provide consumers with financial handouts that fueled post-pandemic recoveries in the US and abroad. Debt-ridden Chinese local governments cannot afford a big expenditure rise. Chinese property developers and banks will focus on country garden holdings, which is nearing default amid a busy reporting week as Asia's earnings season winds down. The nation's largest constructor skipped dollar bond interest payments earlier this month and must pay within a 30-day grace period, leaving investors wondering when its default date would be.
Chinese developer Evergrande has filed for bankruptcy protection in a US court. Made the move in one of the world's biggest debt restructuring exercises. The firm's problems add to growing investor worries about China's property debt crisis and its overall economy. Evergrande was once China's top-selling developer.
Well, the turmoil has weakened its notes and China's financial markets. Country Gardens projects are 4 times more than Evergrande Group's default, which might worsen the damage. Property downturn and rising liquidity constraints around shadow bank Zhongji Enterprise Group may also hurt major Chinese banks, including Industrial and Commercial Bank of China and Bank of China. After a record stretch of foreign money outflows, China's securities regulator will meet with some of the world's largest asset managers on Friday to boost confidence. According to Bloomberg sources, China's Securities Regulatory Commission Vice Chairman will host the Hong Kong meeting. One person stated Fidelity International and Goldman Sachs Group were invited. Large domestic investors have always supported markets during tumultuous periods, but China is now trying to influence some of the largest global funds. That comes a day after the regulator encouraged the state pension fund, huge banks and insurers to invest more in stocks. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.